Welcome back, adventurers. Today's ride is just one mountain, one peak, Kingston Peak Trail. Now, if you've been following along on the Psychotic Adventures, well, you saw Steve and I attempt Kingston Peak Trail around, early July, and it didn't work out because it was closed. Now we're in early September, and, well, I gotta say, going either way, I would prefer to go south to north as opposed to the opposite direction. And, well, you'll see why I have this opinion. Now for a little side note about how much I love my Tenere. So, I bought the Camel ADV and Enduro Bend exhaust and can, and, well, it was amazing. But then on Black Bear, I lost the baffle. And let me tell you, the sound is worth at least a few extra horsepower in my head because, well, the sound gave me slightly more confidence than I needed to have.
Hey Joe, you jumping these?
Yeah. I can't wait to get that clip together. You jump these, yep, go. See, it looks like that stand is working out for you pretty well. I'm telling you, that's the thing. That's the biggest upgrade to my bike. It's gonna be my fucking fitness. Nice there, Scott.
Dip right before the top.
Whoa! Whoa! Shot down. Shot down. You good, buddy? That was a spectacular one.
Hey Steve, I want to keep going up here a little bit. I can stop.
The bike's sideways, they should be going this way.
It's all good. Oh shit, hang on. Buddy.
Yeah, you know, fucker just jumped up in the air sideways.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, Steve, thanks for wearing this camera because some of the shots that we get to have from behind us are just friggin' amazing. Anyway, this pretty much starts the ascent to Kingston. So there is 3 climbs. This is the first one, which is not supposed to be as difficult as, well, I would make it out to be. Everything was going great. I was feeling good. And then, well, something hit my back tire. My legs spread out, and I took a dive into the right side of the bike.
That was a good crash. Oh. That was a good crash. Oh. Oh yeah. Ow. Yep. All right. Ho ho.
Break your shit.
Nope, I bent the out of
Right far. Oh shit. Yeah, I got a nice little dent right there too.
yeah.
So, well, after that very sudden stop of the motorcycle, with the help of friends, we pick ourselves up, dust ourselves off, and, twist the throttle again. We're now headed to the landing place that would mark the start of the next climb. At this landing point, we would meet a gentleman who would say the next little bit is really tough, but we say screw it, and we head up anyway.
Oh fuck.
All right.
Oh, up. Hang on. Whoa! That's impressive there, sir.
I almost went off the road to the left, and then all of a sudden the bike was this way. Alright, there you go.
Yep.
Again, I'm not quite exactly sure what I did.
I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened. We talked to that guy, and he put this shit in our head. Yeah, and so a lot of this is just in our head. Oh, nice. Saved it.
So there's a fantastic saying out there that says, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. And that's one of the things I love about this group, is we always think we can.
It looks like a rodeo.
2 hours later.
I'm just gonna not watch you, Scott, because this is not giving me confidence. You got this, home stretch. Steve, this 37 miles is looking a lot longer than 37 miles. Oh shit, I have no fucking, I can't start my bike.
After seeing this, I've ordered a new battery.
You're welcome for killing your momentum.
That's alright.
Yep. Hey, is it clear? All right, here I come. Hey Nate, can you do me a favor? There's that rock right there. That one, and then the one closer to me.
Yeah, this might seem a little lazy, but damn, I'm tired, dude.
Bless you.
But luckily, I get by with a little help from my friends. I fucking love this motorcycle.
If there was air up here, you could catch your breath.
That's right, man. I gotta get back down so I can catch it from the rodeo.
Have a great day.
You too.
Well, everybody finally made it up the second climb. So we thought this might be the end because none of us had ever been here before. However, there was a third climb. I'd like to say they got progressively harder, but I'm pretty sure I just got progressively more tired. Yeah, so see that squiggly line way off in the back there? That would be our final test of the day.
Oh, well, Steve went your way. I went Scott's way.
As this climb would pretty much mark the last of the trip, I had to take the drone out because, well, it and the controller survived this far, so I'd be pretty pissed if I got back home and never took it out. Thank God, this was such a fun drone flight. First up, Nate. And luckily, I had his video to match with this, which was pretty exciting for me. Luckily, I was able to switch over to sport mode and get down the mountain just in time to see Scott crossing the water. I gotta tell you, I don't think I've ever seen someone have so much fun on the KLX 300. Next up, we have Steve's rodeo. I gotta tell you, this dude's ride the whole time, the whole day, kind of personifies this meme right here. And lastly, we have me, who apparently hit too many buttons and turned it on time-lapse. Way to go, dude. Well, we all finally made it to the top, quote-unquote, where there was essentially this old mining shack that kind of broke down, and then people just started piling on rocks and said, you know, if you leave a rock here, then you'll get good luck. Unfortunately, we didn't encounter this before the ride. After a snack break, we finally made our way south to Loch Lomond. That's a really nice pond lake thing at the end of a ride. So we all got our obligatory end of ride photos and then headed home. But not before falling peer pressure to my friends and saying, hey, go do this little fun thing. Again, folks, this pipe's going to get me in trouble.
So Steve just hung right in on it.
Yeah.
I basically have.
Little slide for action.
Look, I really don't wish this gate ill will, but it was the cause of some unwarranted heartbreak. One more for the road though, eh? Thanks so much for sticking around this long and for watching.